Now we will see the advantages of C programming language. It's easy to learn and use. It has high-level constructs which allow the programmer to organize programs in a clear, easy and logical way. It's full-fledged set of features. We can program anything from a small program for personal amusement to a new operating system. C programming language is platform independent and portable. It's higher the speed of program execution. A lot of libraries are already written in C. Now we will see the disadvantages of C programming language. C does not have an object-oriented program features, and in C there are no strict type checking. For example, we can pass an integer value also for a floating data type. C has poor error detection at runtime. C doesn't have the concept of namespace, and C doesn't have the concept of constructor and destructor. As any other programming languages, C language have specification available for program structure. Every C program is consist of following building blocks. The building blocks are document section, link section, definition section, global variable declaration section. These four sections are optional. Now we will see void main. This is the vital part of each and every C program, and this is mandatory for every C program will be having only one main function. Then local variable declaration section, function declaration section, program section, and function definition section 1, function definition 2, like that it can go on. Like that it will be like like it will be n number of function definition can be there. So guys, that's all for this section. In my next video I will be discussing the building blocks of C programming. So guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.